Hello everyone, this is Nikita, your mentor. I am going to teach you chemistry so that you guys can achieve your dreams. I hope you guys are ready to prepare for it. So let's start. First of all, we will have a look on the whole chemistry syllabus which we are going to cover in the NDA course. So let's start. Our first chapter will learn about chemistry, branches of chemistry, physical chains, chemical chains, and matter and its composition. This is the basic chapter which is going to help you a lot in the further chapters. Our next chapter would be air and water. In this chapter, we will learn about the composition, its abundance in nature, properties and its uses. This is also an important chapter because some question arises from its composition and abundance from nature which you have to remember. Our next chapter is chemical equation and laws. In this chapter, we will learn about many laws like laws of chemical combination, laws of definite proportion, Dalton's laws, laws of reciprocal proportion, Gallows-Law law of combining volume, gas laws, and we will also discuss about ideal gas laws in this equation. Our next chapter is atom and molecules. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about compounds, mixtures, types of mixtures and separation of mixtures. We are going to discuss many separation methods in this chapter. Our next chapter is some important formula. In this chapter, we will discuss about some important symbols of elements. Our next topic would be the formulas regarding some important compounds, and we will also discuss about some structures which are very important for the chemistry. Our next chapter is mole concept. In this chapter, we will discuss about the basic formula of mole concept, equivalent weight, molality, normality, mole fraction. Basically, I am going to cover the concentration topics in this chapter. Our next chapter is valency and molecular mass. In this chapter, I will discuss about the valency calculation and factor calculation and molecular mass, which will help you a lot to solve the questions. This is one of the important chapters. In this chapter, we will discuss about Rutherford models, Bohr's models, and new concept. This chapter is a very lengthy chapter, but these are the few topics which you will find in your questions. Our next chapter is redox reaction. So in this chapter, we will discuss about oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, balancing of equation and ion balancing. This is also an important question because a question arises from here about the balancing of equation. So let's move to the next chapter. Our next chapter is acid, bases and salt. In this chapter, we will learn about some important acids and bases, basis of division of acids, salts and some important reactions. Our next chapter is metals and non-metals. So in this chapter, we will learn about the sources and about the ores from which we get the metals. We will also learn about abundance, properties, process of purification and uses of metals. Our next chapter is carbon and its compounds. It is also an important chapter. In this chapter, we will cover the topics like its special properties, functional groups, soaps and detergents, and cleansing action of soaps. Our next chapter is preparation. In this chapter, we will learn about some preparation processes about hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. I am going to discuss the laboratory and industrial both preparation method in this chapter. Our next topic is miscellaneous topic. In this chapter, we will discuss about fertilizers, drugs, glass, types of glass, paper, cements, ink, safety matches, gunpowder, paints, fiber and plastics. This is most important chapter of the NDA course. So, I am going to discuss about the processes and use of the things listed in this chapter. So, let's move to the next chapter. So our next chapter is periodic table. In this chapter, we will learn about the properties and position of elements. Our next topic in this chapter would be various groups. We will learn to find the groups and periods of the elements in this chapter. So This is the end of your syllabus. So I hope you have learned carefully and will work hard for your dreams.